Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Thursday. How are you today? Are you ready to start our class? Yeah? Today we will have cooking class. Hi guys, it's time for cooking class. Are you ready? Remember Dorothy made a gingerbread? So in our book, in our activity book, you can find a recipe to make gingerbread cookie. But today I will make cookie, but in another recipe that I have at my home. I'll send you my recipe too. If you want, you can do Dorothy's recipe, my recipe, or your mommy's recipe. But let's make cookies today. Are you ready? I will use brown sugar, butter, flour, chocolate, baking powder, vanilla, and 1 egg. Time to put it in the oven. Let's wait now. It's ready. Let's see. It's a little bit hot. Let's see. Very good. Delicious. I like cookies. What about you? Do you like cookies? That's the recipe I used. But you can choose another recipe or gingerbread recipe. It's up to you. Now it's your turn. Find a recipe that you like and have fun. Make cookies. And don't forget, make a video of your cooking and send it to me, okay? And that's all for today. See you next class. Bye-bye. Hugs and kisses.